Can you imagine wake up getting ready for church and then you look and see big black smoke come from out of your house? Viewers, subscribers, take a look on this video. See, I tell you say, this brother Winston, him lose everything in him house, and right now him in a position him a ask for help. And the man lose him passport, him visa, him money, saying him appliance, him bed. Yeah, just check out the video and see how wicked this thing is. And please like, comment, share and subscribe if you don't subscribe. Winston in need our help.
And you see it burn till it drop out.
Yeah.
Fire really in that place, man.
Winston is a resident from Waterford. Him fix fridge, him fix washing machine, and the little can give him and him work on it. I'm gonna tell you say almost everything burn up. Me give my fridge for fix, and I tell you say the only thing safe. See there in the corner, it alone never burn up, but him lose everything. Just listen and listen how bad this is. You need our help. Big bed in a man. Big comfortable bed that you know.
Yeah, man, Yes.
So the living room alright though?
Yeah, man.
Are you living room too?
Yeah, man, I live everything was glass and broken and went on the feet, bone, all the.
We are inside his front room. I'm gonna tell us that the place scorch. Everything burn. Every single thing in the man room burn. But it seems like at the AC, you know, it look like it have some electrical problem, but let's go and listen. Yo, look on the man door. Scorch. I look into the ceiling, man. Like something that sledger man lick it out.
To a long time, and white, that man was straight and leg. And you can't play with cement properly. White man, like you use back in the days.
Oh. I will tell him. Yeah, still right. What is that? What is that? Alright? Oh, smoke. Oh, yeah, black. On TV this?
Oh, picture film.
The
The heat melt over the sun. Is it?
Whoa. Oh.
Send it down there, brother.
That's how the radio melt. Broke all the glass. And table, alright. My picture. Oh, picture.
Because the heat will come so, send it go down so.
Furnace, you know, so it makes anything a feel good.
And a room too. Look how you do this. The smoke block up the whole place. Winston lose everything, viewers, subscribers, everything the man lose. So I ask you, call him, see him number upon the screen, call him, help him whatever way you can. It no matter how small you think it is, and maybe you know if you say him go want it, but the man not even have a bed to sleep on. You understand? Not have a settee to sit down on. It's rough. See? And what me do, me give him a tin of paint. You know, and not much, but it can start something. You know, so please help him. Anything you have, call him and help him. Alright, and do remember, share the video that this can go out, that if you can help him, somebody can help him. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Video. Peace, love, prosperity.